Now this is what most people think of when they think of a classic Porsche 911. But this was not the only body style offered. For a short period of time, there was an alternative. Let me show you. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is called the Porsche 930 Flashbau, or flat nose, or as most people like to call it, slant nose. Only 948 examples of the Flashbau were made, and the first owner of this example was somebody very special, King Hussein of Jordan. Cars don't come much more special than this one. As you would expect from a car that belonged to the royal family, this one is in pristine condition. Just look at that paint finish. Even the wheels are just immaculate. There is no pitting or scarring at all. This is such a beautiful car. To go with its very nice green exterior is a equally nice tan interior, which is in excellent shape despite the car being 33 years old. Yes, this vehicle is from 1986. Wow, and it's only covered 19,000 kilometers. This is spectacular. Alright, so we're moving. We're driving King Hussein's Porsche 930 Slantnose. This is a very, very special privilege. Like all classic air-cooled 911s, the clutch pedal is floor hinged and the bite point is quite high up, so that takes a little getting used to. As typical with the United Arab Emirates in the late part of July, it is quite hot. It is scorching actually, and the air conditioning in classic cars not exactly the greatest. Maybe that's why it only has 19,000 kilometers in 33 years, but you know what? It's worth putting up with the heat, with the tricky clutch, to drive a car like this. For an old girl, she still goes very well. Has a 3.3 liter flat 6 turbocharged engine, about 300 horsepower, about 305 pounds-feet of torque. So it is not a slow car by any means. Turbo lag, of course, but wow, when it comes on boost, it does go. love classic cars, and when you come across something this immaculate, this special, it's hard not to. And you know what? It feels like a modern car. It rides very well. Steering has a lovely feel to it. The brakes work very well. It's a Porsche after all. Sure, more modern cars have traction control, stability control, dual clutch gearboxes. But even your grandma can drive that. These cars, they require a bit more attention, a bit more finesse, and the reward is that much greater. Turbo lag. You wanna know what turbo lag is like? We're doing 80 in second gear. This is foot hard down. Spooling up. Still not spooled up yet. Still foot hard down. I'm catching up the cars ahead. I didn't get the turbo boost, but that's what makes cars like this special. That a modern car you get into, and within a minute you'll be able to put it in dynamic mode and put your foot out down and see what it can do. There's a learning curve to the older cars, and I think over the long run that would make it more special. You build a relationship with the car. You find out where it will excel the best. Wow, that was spectacular. I really enjoyed my drive in the 930 Slantnose, and thank you so much to Miguel and the staff at Tomini Classics who accommodated me and allowed me to take out this really rare and incredible vehicle.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to Automotive Affairs and click the notification bell.